Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you are at the pre-college level and you're doing research scholar program with me as your instructor, one of the most important documents that you will be writing is this milestone document. The milestone document is a summarize as well as an update of where you currently are in the research milestone. This is based on the assumption that previously you already did the steps such as literature review, writing introductions, research questions. You already have some basic research outline sketched out. Those things are all prerequisites of this document. So with that being said, let's walk through what this document is talking about. There are the following questions that you will need to fill out. First question, what are some previous methodologies that you investigated? What are the related benchmark performance regarding on the data? If your data is novel, then do you have a similar data set? So there are a couple of hints I want to throw out here for you to address this question. First things first is all the way up here, you should have already attempted some models, right? You should have already looked at the data set and throw some models at it. So those models, whatever their performance are, definitely they can generate some sort of baseline reference point for you to use in this question. In some other scenarios, maybe this is a famous data set. Maybe there are other papers out there that already talked about this. Certainly, those are fair game. If the results are out there in the literature, in the domain that you've already read about, then those results, please feel free to share them here. The next question is, what are the performance results of your proposed methodologies? So this is really talking about what did you do? Like, what is the model that you come up with? It could be something novel, or it could be an application or some sort of a combination of 2 or 3 applications out there. Either way, no problem at all. But what is the results that you have attempted, right? So that answer goes to question number 2. So immediately from 1 and 2, you're able to form some sort of comparison. If something's higher or if something's lower, then it's all there for you to read about. It's right there from question 1 and 2. So that's how we designed this document, which is to help you understand, are you there? Are you there to write this paper? If the results in question number 2 is higher than question number 1, then maybe you have a paper. If not, then perhaps you do not have a paper, right? Because the proposed method need to beat whatever performance that you claim as the benchmark, right? So that is the reasoning here. That is why this document is important. After that, we have a small timetable here as the rest of the program continues. So this table is here serving as a reminder to see where you are on the timeline and if you're able to achieve all these intricate steps in running these experiments, things like that. But since we are here in this document, I will say it's safe to say that first 2 steps is probably already completed. You probably already have done the advanced modeling and you have some sort of rigorous evaluation. So if you are writing this document, presumably you are somewhere on the 3rd line or perhaps even the 4th line. The next question is about publication goals. So this is referring to what is your career goal? Some students are taking this as a high school program. Some students are taking this in their undergrad. It depends, right? So depending on your current agenda, depending on your research goals, your career goals, the research paper could be very different. You could be going to a journal, you could be going to a conference, or even just a poster session. That's what this space is talking about. It's a safe space for you to let us know what is your publication goals so we can help you out. The last step is roadblocks and concerns. So same as before, we try to ask this question at multiple occasions, just in case that there are new roadblocks or new concerns show up. It could be anything that you want to learn or anything you perhaps have restrictions. It could be technical, non-technical. We're here to help. And we do take this stuff seriously. So with that being said, hopefully this is clear. Hopefully this serves as a good guidance to help you finish this document. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.